Here we have a Jet 5" by 6" horizontal and vertical bandsaw. Does horizontal cuts and vertical. Anyway, we're going to fire it up for you just to show you that it does operate. We flick the switch here. The machine runs very nicely. As the head goes down here, hits that switch, and it turns off. That does include all the parts and accessories for it. The only thing it's missing here is the assembly hardware for all the stand. There's a stand end and cotter pins for the wheels and some other miscellaneous accessories. It's missing the hardware for the cover here, the belt cover. Other than that, it's in very good condition.